welcome back to my channel. I am Sameera Sharif. Andarki namaskaram. Nenu mi Sameera Sharif. Ellarku vanakkam. Na unga Sameera Sharif. So everything is locked down. We are all in the quarantine time, and I know we have bushy eyebrows, we have messy hair, and there are no salons open, and you also want to feel good from within, and it's the same case with me. So I go to salon only for very few things. One is to get my root touch-up done, and other I go for haircut every now and then, at least to do my bangs. And at times I also get pedicure and manicure done. That is not on a regular basis, but on a regular basis, like every 1.5 months or every month is what I go for root touch-up. It's been quite some time now. It's been more than about 1.5 months now, and I started having grays, so I thought, why not get my own color and do it by myself. So this video is all about getting my own hair color done, and also chopping my fringes or chopping my side bangs all by myself. So this is something that I've been doing since like so many years. I usually chop my bangs by my own self. Very rare of the rarest I get it done in the salon, otherwise I always do it by myself. So today we're going to do my haircut and my hair coloring. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so it is morning. I just woke up, so I thought I should color my hair before I take my shower. So we are using Garnier's casting creme because this has no ammonia. So I don't know how far that is true, but that is what they claim. So right now I got these two colors. One is the dark brown and the other one is chocolate. So whenever I don't get to go to salon, I use this one, the dark brown one. But today I thought I should try and use chocolate. I don't know how, if it's gonna cover my grays or no, but let's just make it try. So as I told you guys, I'm gonna use chocolate shade number 535, and for this we'll need a mixing bowl and a brush for the application. Alright, before jumping into the video, I want to tell you guys that graying is very much normal. It doesn't happen with the age. It can happen to a small kid, it can happen to a teenager, it can happen to someone who's in 20s, who's in 30s. It can also happen to few after they cross their 50s. So it is nothing, at least in the current scenario, in the kind of lifestyle that all of us are living in, graying is very much normal. And also because we use a lot of chemicals on our hair and we use a lot of heating tools, our hair tends to start graying very soon, and in certain cases it also grays due to the hereditary reasons. So do not get judgmental. Whoever has gray hair, it is very much normal. It is as normal as having black hair, brown hair, blonde hair, or whatever. It is just a color of hair. So I'll show you guys. I just have grays on my hairline because I use a lot of straightener on my hairline, which I generally do not recommend to many of y'all. My profession needs that, so I can leave my curls behind and do something with that, but my hairline needs to be straight and perfect to do any kind of hairdo. Even if I want to wear a wig just covering my entire hair, I still have to use my front hair to cover that wig. So I need to straighten that part, or if I'm braiding my hair, I still need to get that straight sleek look for all my characters. So that is why I will have to straighten my hairline, and that is how my hair started graying a lot in the front. So I'll show you guys before I open my bun. Guys, don't get judgmental. This is my second day of hair wash. No, actually third day, and it's gonna be a big mess. So this is how my hair looks. So as I told you guys, I detangle my hair only once, that is when I have my shower, and then I don't detangle it till my next shower. So I haven't detangled my hair, and there are too many tangles, and I kept it tied up in a bun, and it's a mess right now. So please ignore that. Only curly hair girls might understand and relate to my problems. So without further ado, let's go and check my grays. So as you can see, I have few grays right here in this portion. So it's been more than 1.5 months that I colored my hair, as it is locked down and everything is shut. and then I have a few strands right here near my ear, and same way, just like how I have it here, I have it this side. So this is the place where I generally straighten a lot. So if you can see, there are certain grays right here, and just like that I have like grays right here. And then I have another one in my center part because I part my hair and also straighten that. So right here. So these are the constant ones that I always have, and I'm very particular about getting these colored, and I don't do anything else when I go to salon. I just get my root touch up done. So today I'm gonna color my hair, and also because my fringes are grown so long, I'm gonna cut my fringes as well. So let's get started. Alright, so this comes with a conditioner, and then we have a cream and a developer right here. So now that, because I'm just going to color my hairline, just the hairline, I will not need too much color. So for that, we're just gonna take half of the cream and half of the developer. So for that, you need to just figure out. So probably this should be half because here it is very thin. So we'll mark this as our half and empty the tube till here. And then we'll take half of the developer. So they give us this bottle. If you would want to color your entire hair, you can just empty the tube into this developer bottle, cut this and apply it directly onto your hair. So there's a user manual as well. I'll show it to you guys next. So we're taking half of the developer now. And then you need to mix it properly. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, so once we're done mixing, this is how our texture is gonna look. So it also comes with the user manual and pair of gloves. A quick disclaimer, my gloves are gonna make a lot of noise, so please ignore that. So now let's start coloring the hair. So what we're gonna do is we'll start sectioning our hair. Now we're gonna start coloring our hair. So for which we will take another section right from here and start applying it. Turn it on the other side. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played, and drop it onto your left side. Then we are repeating the same thing by taking a tiny section. And now that we've already colored this part of the hair, now we're going to turn it this side and color it right here. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun. Then you can see I have grays right here, so I need to be very sure that I take through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll So now that I'm done with one section, I'm going to repeat the same with the other one. So now that I'm done coloring my hair, so whatever is left, I'm gonna do it again on my hairline.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So now that I'm done coloring my hair, I've tied the rest of my hair into a bun, and then I'm gonna wait for about 15-20 minutes to let the color sit and go have my shower and come back, and then we'll go with the haircut. Alright, so I'm just done with my shower, and as you all can see, all my grays are covered up. You can see my entire hairline, so it's covered right here and also near my ears.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
I've detangled my hair and also applied the curl cream, so I let my hair air dry. Meanwhile, we'll just do my fringes. For that, all you'll need is a pair of scissors and also a tail comb. You can use any comb. This will be very easy for you to take the partition. So I'm gonna use this, and right from the arch of your eyebrow, so right from here, we're gonna take one diagonal portion.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no.
Like so, and repeat the same from the other side.
Fighting to create a song.
So like this. So now you can see this diagonal portion, right? Now you're gonna brush this hair.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
So if you desire to have your bangs from here, start chopping it from here. Don't chop it right from here, because you might end up messing it up. I generally chop it from my lips. So what I do is I chop it below my lips, so somewhere around my chin. So I'll chop it here. This much is what I chopped. Now let's just set the chopped hair. My hair was almost dry, so I thought I'll just go and wet it little. So now it is the major task.
and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So when you chop them straight like so, now I'm just going to take my scissors and run through, and just in case if I find any extra or uneven hair strand, that is what I'm going to chop. Yes, that's it. That is how I chop my fringes or the bangs. I let it dry and get back to you once my entire hair is all set. So now that my hair is all dried up, I thought I'll show you guys how it looks. So these are my fringes or my bangs, my side bangs. This is how my side bang looks. So because I chopped them, that is the reason now it can hold the volume like that. And I can also, if I want, I can also press it downwards and then create this kind of a look. So it can also go this way or stay this way. So this is how it looks.
Don't wanna waste what's left, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So that's my haircut, and you've also seen my hair color. All my grays are gone, and I haven't done anything behind, so my hair behind is just the same. I don't have any grays here in my back. As I said, I have grays only in my hairline, so I just colored my hairline. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope this video was useful, and once again I'm letting you guys know the color that I used is Garnier Casting Creme, because it is ammonia free. Not a sponsored video, but that is something that I use when I have to color my hair at home. And I use the regular normal scissors to chop my hair. I think those pair of scissors were from IKEA. And make sure you chop your hair about an inch or two longer than what you actually desire to have, so you can correct it if you have done any kind of mistake. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing how I get rid of my eyebrows or how I shape my eyebrows and all of that during this time. I'll do that for you, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next, lots of love.